Last lecture we have to discuss about the Maclaurin theorem and example, correct? In last lecture we have to discuss one example on that topic. Today we will see the second example on the same topic. Example second, expand expand 1 plus x bracket raised to x in ascending powers of x in ascending powers of x in ascending powers of x expansion being correct up to fifth power of x, correct up to fifth power of x, okay. This is your question. In last section or in last lecture we have discussed one example on the Maclaurin series. Here we have to discuss the second example on the same series, okay. Here given series is in answer, and here we have to find the highest power of x up to fifth power of x, okay. Now here or consider y is equal to 1 plus x bracket raised to x, okay. This is your value of y, okay. Here 1 plus x raised to क्या है x, bracket raised to क्या है x, correct. Now apply log on the both the side because this function raised to this function, okay. Apply log okay. We get log of y is equal to apply the log and use the property of log. This x goes to this side. Here we have to write this property, log a raised to b can be b log of a, okay. Use this property, we get x into log 1 plus x, correct. X into log 1 plus x, okay. Log of y is equal to x in bracket log 1 plus x. Now we know that log of y is equal to x in bracket the expansion of log of 1 plus x. The expansion I will write here, since log 1 plus x, अभी हमने सीरीज देखी थी उसकी, and the value of log 1 plus x is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x raised to 4 by 4 plus x raised to 5 by 5 minus dot dot dot. But no need to write the highest power of x up to fifth. Here we will write up to fifth power of x, okay. So this is the series expansion of log 1 plus x, okay. यहाँ पे लिखा है log 1 plus x. Now x into this log 1 plus x, we get x minus x square by 2 plus x cube divided by 3 minus x raised to 4 divided by 4 plus x raised to 5 divided by 5 minus dot 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 up to infinity, okay. Now multiply this x to this bracket, we get log of y is equal to x into x square minus this x cube upon 2 plus x raised to 4 upon 3 minus x raised to 5 upon 4 plus x raised to 6 upon 5 plus dot dot dot, okay. We get this. Suppose log of y is equal to z. Suppose this expansion as z, okay. Suppose this is your equation first, and this is your value of z. Value of z is x square minus x cube upon 2 plus x raised to 4 upon 3 minus x raised to 5 upon 4 plus x raised to 6 upon 5. Okay, this is value of z. We have to replace this value as a z. Okay. Now Now from equation first we have to find the value of y, correct? We have to find this expansion, but here y belongs to in the form of log. तो apply exponential function to both the sides. Apply e on और exponential function कौन सा भी लिख दो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Apply e on apply e on both the sides. Okay, apply e, that is exponential function on both the sides. We get apply e here, तो क्या जाएगा log and e get cancel. We get y is equal to e का power z. Y is equal to e का power z. Then we know that the series of e raised to z, e raised to x क्या है 1 plus x square upon 2 factorial plus x cube upon 3 factorial plus x raised to 4 upon 4 factorial plus x raised to 5 upon 5 factorial. Okay, write this series. So we get 1 plus z square upon 2 factorial plus z cube upon 3 factorial plus z raised to 4 upon 4 factorial plus z raised to 5 upon 5 factorial plus dot. Correct? This is the expansion of e raised to z. E raised to z, but the value of z is, this is your z, this is your value of z. Now we have to replace this value of z here. Okay, we have to replace the value of z here. We get y as, this is your 1 as it is, plus the value of z, the value of z is, this is your value of z, x square minus x cube upon 2 plus x raised to 4 upon 3 minus x raised to 5 upon 4. Okay, no need to write x raised to 6 because we have to find up to 5th power. Okay, we have to find up to 5th power. Okay, plus 1 by 2 factorial, value of z square, तो क्या जाएगा ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स क्यूब अपॉन 2 प्लस एक्स रेज टू 4 अपॉन 3. ओके, देन डॉट. नो नीड टू राइट हायर टर्म्स बिकॉज डेफिनेटली उसका स्क्वायर क्या आने वाला है, हायर टर्म्स. करेक्ट, ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन 3 फैक्टोरियल इन ब्रैकेट जेड क्यूब क्या जाएगा एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस, अभी देखो ये हाँ दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन वो भी क्या आने वाला है, हायर आने वाला है. नो नीड टू राइट, तो अभी आई विल राइट फर्स्ट 2 टर्म्स एक्स क्यूब अपॉन 2 ब्रैकेट क्यूब. ओके, प्लस एक्स रेज टू 4, नो नीड टू राइट एक्स रेज टू 4 बिकॉज यहाँ पे क्या है एक्स स्क्वायर, उसका स्क्वायर क्या आने वाला है ग्रेटर देन 5. तो no need to write this all this term. Now we will solve this. We get y is equal to, first term is 1 plus x square minus x cube by 2 plus x raised to 4 by 3 minus x raised to 5 by 4. Okay, plus here is the multiply with 1 upon 2 factorial, this 1 by 2 as it is. Now in this bracket I will solve this. Now first क्या जाएगा, फर्स्ट टर्म उसका स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर उसका स्क्वायर क्या जाएगा एक्स रेज टू 4. करेक्ट, देन सेकंड टर्म उसका स्क्वायर 6 होगा, देन थर्ड टर्म उसका स्क्वायर वो भी 6 होगा. करेक्ट, नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड 2 टाइम्स ए बी. ओके, 2 टाइम्स ए बी बट हियर इज माइनस साइन, तो क्या जाएगा माइनस 2 टाइम्स ए इंटू बी. करेक्ट, दोनों का मल्टीप्लीकेशन माइनस 2 टाइम्स दिस, तो क्या जाएगा माइनस 2 टाइम्स दिस, 2 टाइम्स एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स रेज टू 3. करेक्ट, तो 2 गेट कैंसल, क्या जाएगा यहाँ पे एक्स रेज टू 5. ओके, 2 टाइम्स ए इंटू बी, वी गेट एक्स रेज टू 5. ओके, देन रिमेनिंग टर्म गेट कैंसल, देन 2 टाइम्स दिस 2 टर्म्स, वहाँ पे पावर क्या जाएगा 6, नो नीड टू राइट. यहाँ पे एक्स क्यूब इंटू एक्स रेज टू 4, नो नीड टू राइट. ओके, ओनली दिस 2 टर्म्स. Then plus here x square उसका क्यूब एक्स स्क्वायर उसका क्यूब वो क्या आ जाएगा एक्स रेस टू 6, नो नीड टू राइट, प्लस डॉट डॉट डॉट। ओके, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ना, उसका स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर उसका स्क्वायर क्या मिला है एक्स रेस टू 4 माइनस यहाँ पे क्या है माइनस 2 टाइम्स ए इंटू बी, दिस इज एक्स रेस टू 5 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इंटू 2 टाइम्स 2 टू गेट कैंसल, क्या बचेगा एक्स रेस टू 5। देन नेक्स्ट इसका स्क्वायर एक्स रेस टू 8, नो नीड टू राइट। देन फर्स्ट एंड दिस दोनों का 2 टाइम्स दिस 2, दिस इज एक्स रेस टू 6, नो नीड टू राइट, दिस इज ऑल्सो एक्स रेस टू 7, नो नीड टू राइट। ओके, एंड हियर एक्स स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट क्यूब, दिस गोज टू the higher terms greater than 5, no need to write. Okay, we have to simplify this. Y is equal to 1 plus x square minus x cube by 2 plus x raised to 4 by 3 minus x raised to 5 by 4. Yeah, this 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 2 x raised to 4 minus 1 by 2 x raised to 5 plus dot dot dot. Now simplify this, add this all this term. Y is equal to 1 plus x square, terms of x square only one term, plus x square, then term of x cube only one term x cube minus x cube by 2, then term of x raised to 4, here there are two terms of x raised to 4, first is this and second is this, correct, both are positive. Here is x raised to 4, correct, here is 1 by 3 and here is 1 by 2, क्या जाएगा उसका एलसीएम 2 into this 3 into this, 2 plus 3 5 प्लस 5 एक्स रेस टू 4 डिवाइड में क्या जाएगा 6, दोनों का मल्टीप्लीकेशन, करेक्ट। देन टर्म ऑफ एक्स रेस टू 5, हियर इज माइनस 1/4 एंड हियर इज माइनस 1/2, आंसर इज इन माइनस, हियर इज माइनस 2, हियर इज माइनस, ओके, तो क्या जाएगा माइनस 6 माइनस 2 माइनस 4 क्या जाएगा माइनस 6 डिवाइडेड बाई 8 एक्स रेस टू 5 प्लस डॉट डॉट डॉट। ओके, now simplify this, we get y as 1 plus x square minus x cube upon 2 plus 5 by 6 x raised to 4 minus cancel with 2 3/4 x raised to 5 plus dot dot dot. Now this is your expansion. Okay, this is your expansion. So here expand is 1 plus x raised to x in ascending power of x, we get the same. Okay, first step apply log, then solve, we get the required answer. Okay, now example third, depending upon this same topic we will discuss the example third. Example third, example third of the same topic, that is the Maclaurin theorem. Maclaurin theorem prove that, example third, prove that inverse of x, prove that tan inverse of x is equal to x minus x cube upon 3 plus x raised to 5/5 minus x raised to 7/7 plus dot dot dot. Okay, show that this is your result, show that this. Now consider in answer consider y is equal to tan inverse of x. Y is equal to tan inverse of x. Okay, suppose this is your equation first. Now here we have to find the series expansion. Okay, we have to find the series expansion by using the Maclaurin series proper also, or by using some shortcut also. Okay, the equation first, I will here differentiate equation first. Differentiate equation first with respect to x. Okay, there are different methods to find the answer. Okay, then find derivative, we get dy by dx is equal to derivative of tan inverse of x. This is d by dx of tan inverse of x, and this is 1/1 plus x square, correct, 1/1 plus x square. Now dy by dx is equal to, we have to discuss one series, the expansion of 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, लास्ट में सेकंड लास्ट सीरीज आई थिंक 1 upon 1 plus x square. तो उसका आंसर क्या आता है 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस एक्स रेज टू 4 माइनस एक्स रेज टू 6 प्लस एक्स रेज टू 8 प्लस डॉट डॉट डॉट. करेक्ट, दिस इज योर सीरीज. ओके, 1 upon 1 plus x. 1 plus x क्या है 1 minus x plus, okay, alternately positive negative. Okay, but here x is replaced by x square, तो क्या जाएगा 1 minus x square plus x raised to 4 minus x raised to 6 plus dot 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 dot. Okay, okay. Now we get dy by dx. Now integrate this. Integrate with respect to x. With respect to x from 0 to x. From 0 to x. We have to integrate this series. We get the integration 0 to x dy by dx into dx with respect to dx is equal to integral from 0 to x. Integral from 0 to x. This is your 1 minus x square plus x raised to 4 minus x raised to 6 plus x raised to 8 plus dot 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 into dx. Okay, integrate this. Now here dx get cancelled. Integration of dy we get y upper and lower limit x to 0 is equal to integration of x is 1, integration of x square, this is x cube by 3 plus integration of x raised to 4, this is x raised to 5 upon 5 minus integration of x raised to 6, x raised to 7 upon 7 plus integration of x raised to 8, this is x raised to 9 upon 9 plus dot dot dot. Okay, and integral from 0 to x. Integral from 0 to x. Now put value of tan inverse x. Y is tan inverse x. तो क्या जाएगा the value of y. Y की value क्या है tan inverse of x. Put value of y 0 to x and here replace upper limit 0 and lower limit 1. तो क्या जाएगा upper limit as it is हो जाएगा x minus x cube by 3 plus x raised to 5 upon 5 minus x raised to 7 upon 7 plus x raised to 9 upon 9 minus dot 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 and lower limit is 0. Then tan inverse x क्या जाएगा tan inverse of x and tan inverse of 0 minus tan inverse of 0, उसकी वैल्यू क्या है 0, वो लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. तो दिस इज x minus x cube upon 3 plus x raised to 5 upon 5 minus x raised to 7 upon 7 plus x raised to 9 upon 9 minus dot dot dot. So this is your value of tan inverse of x. We get the series expansion of tan inverse of x. Okay, similarly we have to find the series expansion of cot inverse x, also sin inverse x, also cos inverse x by using the same logic. Okay, now next example we will solve one more example on the same topic. Okay, next expand example number 4. Example number 4, expand sin inverse in bracket 2x upon 1 plus x square in ascending powers of x, in ascending powers of x. Okay, now look on the board. Here given that sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Okay, we have to replace or we have to write this expansion in ascending powers of x. Okay, now in answer let y is equal to given sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Okay, now put x is equal to tan theta implies theta as tan inverse of x. Okay, we have to replace this expansion x as tan theta, we get theta as tan inverse x. Okay, now we get y is equal to sin inverse, get y is equal to sin inverse value of x is tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta, this is square 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, this is value of sin 2 theta, but sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, basic formula from trigonometric function. Okay, now solve this. Y is equal to sin inverse in bracket क्या जाएगा sin 2 theta, value of this is sin 2 theta, sin inverse of sin 2 theta, sin get cancel, क्या मिलेगा y is equal to 2 theta. Correct, we get y is equal to 2 theta, therefore y is equal to 2 into value of theta is tan inverse of x, value of theta is tan inverse of x, tan inverse of x, and we know that expansion of tan inverse of x, यहाँ पे expansion of tan inverse x क्या है उसका expansion x minus x cube upon 3 plus x raised to 5 upon 5 minus x raised to 7 upon 7 plus dot dot dot. Okay, so we get this is your expansion, that is expansion of sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. We get this required expansion. Okay, now this is your example 4th. Okay, and this is your all about the Maclaurin series. Okay, Maclaurin series. Now I will give 2-3 examples for homework. Okay, now example number 4, example number 5, expand cos inverse x minus x inverse whole divided by 1 plus x plus x inverse, x plus x inverse in ascending powers of x, in ascending powers of x. Same logic, replace some value of x and solve, we get the required answer. Now example number 6, I will write some more examples depending upon the previous topic also. Show that or prove that e raised to x into tan x is equal to x plus x square plus 5x cube divided by 6 plus x raised to 4 divided by 2 plus dot dot dot. Okay, here we have to do the multiplication of these two series. Okay, e raised to x into tan x, we know that the value of e raised to x, also we know that the value of tan x, put this value, do this multiplication up to 4th power of x. Okay, now next 7, show show that log in bracket 1 plus tan x is equal to x minus x square by 2 plus 2 by 3 x cube plus dot dot dot. This is also same. First use the log 1 plus x. Okay, here x is replaced by tan x. So first use log 1 plus x, then apply the series of tan, we get required answer. Okay, now this is all part from the Maclaurin series. In next lecture we will discuss the next point, that is Taylor's theorem. Okay.